So you're teaching a class, you have a need to show something on the whiteboard. And you try to use the whiteboard, maybe using PowerPoint and trying to do things with the mouse. That's a little clunky. So let me show you a whiteboard that I have been using for quite a long time. I use it for a different purpose. I use it to basically kind of outline what I'm going to say, and I have it in front of me sitting there. But you can also use it as a whiteboard in class. So let me show it to you. So here, I picked up this whiteboard from Office Max. You can probably get it on Amazon, have it delivered to your house. They're not that expensive. But with this whiteboard, I can use it in the classroom, right? So I'm not very good at this, but I can sit there and write hello world. I can write out formulas. I can do my chemistry. I also have different colored pens, right? So I can use different colored pens on this thing. But this is basically a very basic whiteboard, and I can just use it as long as I want. I have a little eraser that I have available to me. So I can erase and just add some more. So that's just a quick hack that you can have available to you. It's really easy to use, but hopefully it'll add something to your class. Like I say, just wipe it off and just continue on doing your presentation. Hopefully you found it useful.